Hi, this is Ravina from Professionals at Port Denarau, and today I'm visiting a property at Pacific Harbour, and we have a beautiful vintage style 3-bedroom 2-bathroom house on its own available for sale at Pacific Harbour. Now, as you can see, the greenhouse, and then you have a garden shed and also a tool shed, and you have got raised beds for your farming and for whatever plants you have for your gardens. The house is fully furnished, and as you can see, at the moment I'm standing on the top level, so you have this view with nice palm trees, the background. The property is fully fenced, gated. Fully equipped kitchen. Now these stairs will take us down to the 3 bedrooms that we have, and also a living area. The house comes fully furnished, and it's only a walking distance, I must say a short walking distance from Pacific Harbour town centre actually. So as we go straight, we come through a bedroom over here. Nice spacious living room. Very airy, I must say, and there's a lot of natural light that's capturing this part of the house. Beautifully set up, well designed, very breezy. You don't need an aircon when you live over here, I think. We're walking out, and look at that. Surrounded by beautiful garden. You wouldn't want to leave this place if you were living over here. This is like your island paradise within an island. So don't delay. If this is what you think you would like to own in Pacific Harbour, which is close to some of the hotels, resorts, golf courses, so give us a call at Professionals Fiji. We are based at Port Denarau, and we look after properties throughout Fiji. My name is Ravina. You can call me on 86336315 for any inquiries or viewing requests for this property. Thank you for watching.